going to IKEA today. I still have my cast on, so it's going to be interesting to see how we can traverse, what's the word? Traverse IKEA in a wheelchair. And a pram. So, IKEA opened last week and I've been just itching to go, literally itching under my cast. But now I've got a moon boot, so yeah. I am very excited that we're finally going. Why is IKEA my favourite store? Well, it's the only store that kind of has these little inbuilt displays of like small houses or small rooms or apartments, and I love all things small living. It's like my dream to one day make like my own little pod, like a living pod. So, and IKEA caters to that just nicely. And wonderful prices.
If I was a homeless person, I would just live here and eat hot dogs.
Shopping as such.
Yeah, we knew we don't have.
But we knew, we came in thinking we're not going to do shopping as such. We're just having a look around.
Yeah, everyone keeps driving in there. It's a one-way thing.
Have you got a ticket? So guys, I'm aiming to do a daily vlog every single day, and it's the term daily vlog. Casey Neistat is not going to do videos anymore daily, so that's a bit of a bummer. Very sad for everyone. I used to watch him every single day for the last, I don't know, probably 3-4 months I've been watching Casey. So the big question for me has been, what YouTube videos am I going to watch regularly. So I'll just let you know the couple that I have been following recently. The first one that I personally watch every day as soon as he puts one out, and it doesn't put one out very frequently, probably one a week, I think, sort of 1 or 2 a week, and that's Smo. And Smo is a motor vlogger from England, and he keeps it bike related, sometimes topical, but mainly about bikes. And yeah, so that's one that I keep watching, but he doesn't do it daily. So Yummy Noob is another one that I like to follow and watch his videos straight away when they come out, and that's because Yummy is a very interesting sort of motor vlogger. He definitely keeps things bike related. He does throw in a bit of his how he's making money with his YouTube channel, and that's pretty interesting for me personally. I also been watching PewDiePie just recently, more for research purposes more than anything, to see how a channel where he's just doing very basic commentary on things, and he's getting views and he's getting lots of subscribers still. So PewDiePie I've been watching. So Sarah, hello darling.
No.
You have a good day? Sarah Dici, I've just started watching her vlogs because I'm having Casey withdrawal. So Sarah, please post every day. Is H3H3 Productions. I like, he's funny, he's growing on me. He's a funny man, like the sort of dude you'd like to have as a friend. So he's pretty cool. So yeah, so I'm still looking to see what sort of, see if I can find someone who does regular vlogs that I like. I've had a look at a couple of channels of some people who are supposed to be like fairly good daily vloggers, but me personally, I don't see it. So I'm not going to mention names, but there are people who are just doing obscure daily vlogs about nothing and just walking around the street type stuff, and so that doesn't interest me. And then there's some other vloggers out there who are making like 30-40 minute daily vlogs, and like I was watching one today, just one that I'm thinking of following, and they're just sitting in the car and there's no conversation going, and they're just sitting in the car for like a couple of minutes in the middle of the vlog, and I'm like, nah, can't, that hasn't been edited properly. Built. It's supposed to be finished in October, people. Oh yes, I had a motorcycle accident. So if you want to find out about that, you're going to have to go over to Vroom Vroom Zoom, my motorcycle vlogging type channel, because I will be uploading a video there very soon about what happened with my crash. Bring you some videos of my new place soon. That all happens in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned. Bye.